Every solar panel begins its journey deep within the earth. Precision starts before the first machine moves. Extraction demands control, not force. Silicon's story is carved one rotation at a time. Power is measured long before it's released. Nature yields, but never instantly. Raw light begins as raw stone. Size matters when purity is the goal. The cleaner the start, the stronger the finish.
This is raw potential, waiting.
Purity is verified before distance is traveled. The road to energy begins here.